maniac.
Whoa, jeez.
Changes that break this vicious cycle of inequality and prioritize the most vulnerable population so that we can all end this pandemic. We also need leaders who welcome new ideas and strategies to save our communities of color from this pandemic. In Dallas County, Texas, local leaders design
changed our mental health. Some of us are juggling childcare, with working full-time in our homes, that too. And some of us are fighting with our partners more than usual, and on top of that, many of us are encountering unexpected job changes and challenges. It's a lot to handle under normal circumstances, but it's especially grueling during a pandemic. All of this leads to a crushing amount of stress, which is why I recommend Talkspace for therapy, so you can vent anytime you want. Talkspace therapists give you the support you need to feel your best. Talkspace has thousands of licensed therapists trained in over 40 specialties, including anxiety, depression, relationships, and more. Your therapist can help you set and achieve your goals. I think you'll be amazed at how much progress you make.
What are you doing?
The auto industry has made incredible advancements on technology and safety on vehicles. But what if I told you there's a feature on every car that's standard that not only will help prevent crashes, but also help prevent road rage a little bit? Let me show you. So if you look at your steering wheel here, to the left side of your steering wheel, there's this stick that comes out. And it's pretty incredible. It's called a turn signal. If you push it down, let me show you what it does. It's amazing. On the front of your car, it starts making a light flash. Now, if you push it down, it indicates that you're going to turn to the left. But not only on the front, let me show you what else it does here. On the back of your car, it also flashes a light, indicating that you're going to turn left or make a lane change. Now, it does just the opposite if you push it up. Again, it's right here next to your steering wheel. It may require that you put down your coffee or your cell phone or whatever you have in your hands so that you can safely drive. And if you push it up, it indicates that you're going to go right. Now, this is not only the right thing to do, it's not only against the law not to use it, but it's the courteous thing to do. And it's going to help people around you understand your indication that you're going to make a lane movement or make a turn. So please, use your turn signal.
A vaccine. This year has been rough. Then, on the way to school, the thought hit him. He can now go to Cedar Point.
Off your phone.
Yes, I'm sure AG will know that Cedar Point is
nice turn signal.
roller coaster music. And certainly a place to go with. Does painstaking work of rebuilding basically brick by brick what happened in the days between
what's a turn signal?
The election and the reference denied. Fact checking and research on the House of Bill, Dana Goldberg, our music is performed by They Might Be Giants. Our web design and branding, a bunch of our leader on Monster Design.
What's a turn signal?
Our website is DailyKingspot.com.
Nice turn signal.
Stands by it is a man named Douglas Logan. Now, his is a name you probably don't know already. You will recognize him, though, in a second. Douglas Logan is
what's a turn
the
signal
author of this document.
Nice turn signal.
Straight credulity is not a virtue. It's fortune cookie cutter, mommy is
nice turn signal.
Babylon bullshit. Couched in Leo, Pisces, cancer cures, detox, reflex, foot massage, death and towers, tarot cards, psychic healing, crystal balls, Bigfoot, Yeti, aliens.
They said they're
that there are people buried there. The place is sacred to them. And yeah,
What are you doing?
Just gotta stop. But anyway, Dogemeyer.
At this point, yeah. So, here's a few of the key moments from the proclamation. Biden started by saying, throughout our history, Americans of many religions, and right there, see, I'm going to stop right there. That's persecution number one.
Yeah. A, Broadway, and 6.
I'll go through results.
There it is.
Shake pepperoni is better than cube
Christ.
pepperoni. What are you gonna kill me, you pepperoni?
And the constant disregard for human life. I stand against racism. I keep hearing how we all need to focus on what the Bible says. Christians keep insisting that if we would just simply obey and reflect on
the voting process to make it easier for people to vote. It blocks states from messing with voting by mail. It standardizes and makes voter registration the norm nationwide instead of something that states tinker with and try to make hard when certain parties see it to their advantage. And it's got a whole lot more into it.
Get in there. Yeah, so shining UV lights, using blue pens instead of red pens.
Oh, the waddle dog.
And the Department of
Waddle,
Justice
waddle,
was
waddle,
concerned about that. He said, all right, we gotta do
Waddle, waddle, waddle.
watch now. And sent somebody in, and now all of a sudden they're like, oh, no, you don't have to worry about the security of the ballots. Yeah, sure, we leave the doors unlocked, but there's a guy who's a fucking idiot who's there almost every day, and we told him to be careful with stuff. So set your mind at ease, Payday. Sleep well, Arizona, sleep well. And finally, from Alex Thompson of Politico, in a move that may surprise some ambitious Massachusetts Democrats, Liz Warren.
That's a great parking spot.
For her Senate seat in 2024. She was
park
asked
right
in
there.
a political interview on Friday if she was going to run again, and she said, "Yep."
The way you pulled in makes me wish your dad pulled out. Let's have the car stick out. That's smart.
He's invested over 150 private deals in Silicon Valley, 4 of which have become billion-dollar unicorns. He also helps regular folks learn how to profit from the top tech stocks. His latest discovery is timed stocks. Timed stocks, okay? Now, it explains what timed stocks are. I know that you're wondering, what are timed stocks?
Having a focus, absolutely having a clue.
Timed stocks, well, it says here, thanks to the US federal government, timed stocks,
Medical and legal system that's committed to protecting children. And what happens when that system goes too far? I'm excited to tell you about a special bonus episode of Do No Harm that's now available. I talked with Laura Beal, host of Wondery's hit podcast, Story Talk for the first time.
Nobody walking down the street would know what we've been through.
Bro.
You know, because we're so small, we're upset, and we're hurt.
And then we'll hear the pardons on Tuesday. But I will say this. I will be eagerly editing that episode to get it out to patrons early, as I always do. So, patrons, this is a good time to be a patron.
Rappelling out of med school like an escape? Yeah, you don't have to escape.
Yeah, I feel I need to describe the picture as well for listeners who haven't seen this. So it just explains how baffling the setting is. Kevin Bacon is in the 4th floor window of a building that on the outside has a giant mural of a head on the outside painted over the bricks and windows with the word tough underneath, not sure why. He's rappelling out of the window in full rock climbing kit, including a harness and everything, while children, don't know why there are children at a med school, but
Lifestyle and health needs. Next, you have a 1-hour appointment with your doctor to set up a real relationship. And after that, your doctor is available for
without us checking in, getting an update on everyone's face, the most punchable face in the United States.